Hey guys, welcome to my channel Tech. In this video, I am going to talk about the new look of Google search for mobile devices. So let's get started. First, advertisement will now come with bold ad label. Google is also planning to add more action buttons. Google will soon show AI results in search on mobile. Here, AI results means augmented reality. It means the results of Google search will be more realistic, and in this picture you can see in the left side of this picture it was previous search results, and the right side of this picture you can see this is the search result now. So you can see the changes which we can see in the new search results for mobile devices in Google. Basically, changes are here. You can see previous times all websites names are at the last and link is above, but now the name of the website and its sign is above and the link is under that. And also for the ad, the look changes. Previous ad was showing this, and now ad has also changes. Now I will search something on Google to show you how this looks like. If I search something on Google, you can see I search news and here are the websites I can see, and these are ads, and the look of the ad has changed. This was not as previous, it has changed, and you can see here is the ad, and you can see here it's a website, and first its logo and the name of the website, then the link of it and the news and other stuffs you can see. And for this website also you can see first logo, then the name of the site, and after that the link, and here you can see Google News, and the look of all the sites and Google search has changed. If you enjoy this video, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel to get interesting videos like this. I hope to see you in my next video. Take care guys.